Hello everyone, welcome back my channel Huma Academy. Today we will teach you Standard 6 Maths. Chapter name is Basic Concept in Geometry. Last time I was taught you Standard 10 Maths 1 practice set 1.1 and some basic concept in linear equation in two variables. I have already uploaded the 1.1 practice set video in my channel on my channel. So student, please share, subscribes my channel and likes my video. If any students have any kind of doubt and regarding any subject and any standard, you can directly ask me in the comment box. So student, please support me. So don't waste your time. Let's start it the today lectures. Now chapter name is, this is a standard 6th. Okay. Now chapter name is Basic Concepts in Geometry. Basic Concepts in Geometry. Understood? This is the first chapter in 6th standard. So first, geometry start from points. Geometry is start from points. Now what is points? Points is a tiny dot. Okay, point. First point is, what is point? Now can be point can be represented by point can be represented by a tiny dot. Understood? Tiny dot. For example, this is a point. We give number name P. This is a point P. This is a point Q. This is a point R. This is a point L. Understood? So all these are point because this is a tiny dot. This is a tiny dot. Understood, student? Now second term is line segment. Line segment. Now when two points, for example point A and point B, are joined using scale or ruler, and we get the line segment A and B. Understood? तो definition हो जाएगा, when two points, for example here we take AB, so therefore we write AB. When two points A and B are joined, A and B are joined using a ruler, so we get the line segment. We get line segment. Understood, students? Now point is a tiny dot. When two dot is joined by a scale and the line is achieved is called as point line segment. Understood? Now third one, line. Okay. Now in line segment, if we extended line segment infinitely on both the sides, for example, if we extend the line segment AB infinitely on both the sides. Understood? For example, this is your line segment AB, okay, and these segmented is this line segment will extend from both the side, from B point and put arrow, and from A points will extend it and put arrow. So these line segment extended infinitely on both the sides, and this is called as line, and we give the name of line L. Line L. Understood, students, what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, now fourth one, ray. Ray is a part of a line. Ray is start from origin and with arrow. For example, this is point P or arrow Q. The name of this ray is ray PQ. Understood, student, what I'm trying to tell you? Now first we thought point can be represented by the tiny dot. Point can be represented by the tiny dot. This is a line segment. When two points joined by the ruler or scale, the line is called as line segment. Okay, a line segment is extended from both the sides infinitely. We can extend from here also, we can extend from here also. This is called as line segment ends with point and line ends with arrow. Understood? Now here is ray. Now ray is a part of line which start from origin. This is the origin, start from origin and ends with arrow. And ray also we extend it at any point. Understood, students, what I am trying to tell you? So now fifth one is congruent line. Congruent line. When 3 or 4 lines intersect at same point, they are congruent. This is a one line. Understood? This is a one line, but we take this is a one line segment, but we take line. So this is a one line L, another line M, another line N, another line O, and the point which all three lines and all four lines intersect at one point. Okay, all four lines intersect at one point, and the point is called as congruent point. The point is called as congruent point, and line is called as congruent line. Understood? So when 3 or more lines pass through the same point, they are called congruent line, or the point is called as congruent point. Understood, students? Now sixth one and seventh one is quietly similar, collinear and non-collinear point. Now sixth one is collinear and non-collinear point. Now what is meaning of collinear? First of all, we need 3 points for collinear. Okay, now for example, this is a point P, this is a Q, this is a R. All these points lie in the same plane, है ना? All these points lie in the same plane, in the same line, and these points are called as collinear point, because all points lie on a same line. Understood, students? So students, collinear point, all points lie on the same line is called as collinear point. For example, this is a point A, this is a point B, this is a point C, this is a point D. All these 4 points are lie on the same line, and the point is called as collinear point. Understood? All the point is called as collinear point. Now next one is non-collinear point. Non-collinear point. Now non-collinear points just opposites of collinear points, because in collinear points all the points lie on the same line, but in non-collinear do not lie on the same line. So points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear point. The points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear point. For example, we take only a PQR. Now here is P, here is Q, here is R. Now all these 3 points is different plane. Okay, because P, Q, R are not lie on the same line, are lie on the different line. Understood? So this is a non-collinear point. Understood, students? Now next one is plane. Plane, a फ्लैट सरफेस एक्सटेंडिंग इन्फिनिटली. एक फ्लैट सरफेस है, उसको हम किसी भी हद तक एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, और उसको हम कहते हैं इनफाइनेटली ऑल डायरेक्शन, यानी लेंथ की साइड से भी ब्रेथ की साइड से भी हम उसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, यानी ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ सब तरह से हम उसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, और उसको बोलते हैं हम प्लेन। अंडरस्टूड। तो फ्लैट surface extending infinitely, extending means बढ़ाना, हम सब तरफ से उसको बढ़ा सकते हैं। इनफाइनेटली मीन्स कितना भी, जितना मर्जी चाहिए उतना, इन ऑल द डायरेक्शन यानी हर डायरेक्शन में हम उसको बढ़ा सकते हैं, तो उसको हम कहते हैं इज कॉल्ड द plane। Understood student? For example, the name of plane is h, name of plane is h। हम उसको इस डायरेक्शन में भी बढ़ा सकते हैं, इस डायरेक्शन में we can extend in this direction also, we can extend this direction also। Understood? Now next one is parallel line। Students, all these collinear, non-collinear, plane, parallel, point, line, segment, line, ray, or congruent line, all these are conceptual knowledge for basic concept in geometry. First we know what is collinear point, what is plane, then we will solve practice set 1. Understood? We directly solve practice set 1, but we don't know what is collinear point, what is line segment, what is ray, so it's very difficult for us. So first we solve all the basic conceptual basic concepts, then we solve the practice set 1. Understood student? So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now parallel lines means lines which lie on the same plane, lines which lie on the same plane but do not intersect। For example, these two lines are same but this is a intersection line, और ये जो है लाइन इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हो रही है किसी भी पॉइंट को, तो इस लाइन को हम बोलेंगे पैरेलल लाइन। तो लाइंस विच लाई इन द सेम प्लेन, लाइन जो है वो सेम प्लेन पे आना चाहिए लेकिन इंटरसेक्ट भी नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर वो इंटरसेक्ट हो जाएगी तो वो पैरेलल लाइन नहीं है, और अगर वो इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होगी तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, पैरेलल लाइन। Understood? So this is a 9 properties we will studies in today। Let us revise for you। Point can be represented by the tiny dot, point can be represented by the tiny dot, point can be represented by the tiny dot। Okay, line segment, when 2 points A and B or PQR ST, whatever you want you can take, when 2 points are joined using the ruler we get the line segment। Understood? If we extend the line segment infinitely on both these sides, so that is called as line। And ray is part of line, and ray start from origin and with arrow। Congruent line, when three and more lines are intersect at same point, at one point in a same plane, and this point is called as congruent point, and this line is called as congruent line। Understood? Now collinear point, all the points lie on the same line। For example, PQRS, ABCD, LMNO, PQ, any other points more than 2 points lie in the same plane, and that point is called as collinear point। Understood? Now non-collinear points which do not, just opposites of collinear, collinear point lie on the same plane, non-collinear not lie on the same plane। Understood? Now plane is a flat surface extending infinitely in all the direction, is called as plane। Okay, now parallel lines are those lines which lie on the same plane but do not intersect, and that line is called as parallel line। Understood? I hope you understand what I'm trying to teach you। Now we move ahead, we start practice set 1। Understood? So student, pay attention, exercise practice set 1। Okay, now first question in practice set 1, look at the figure alongside। Now first we draw the figure for you because we need figures। This is a first question in practice set 1। Now this is a point P, point N, point T, point S, all these points are intersect at O, and this is M and this is R. This is a figure. फिगर, लुक एट द फिगर. फिगर को देखना है और हमें नेम करना है. क्या क्या हमें नेम करना है? फर्स्ट हमें नेम करना है कोलिनियर पॉइंट. कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स क्या क्या है इस फिगर में, वो हमें नेम करना है. सेकंड हमें नेम करना है रेस. रेस क्या क्या है, समझ में आ रहा है. उसके बाद आता है लाइन सेगमेंट्स. लाइन सेगमेंट्स हमें लिखना है. उसके बाद है लाइंस लिखना है हमें. अंडरस्टूड. ये जो है सारे जो है हमें नोट डाउन करना है इसी को देख के, डायग्राम को. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें जानना है कोलिनियर पॉइंट क्या होते हैं. ऐसे पॉइंट जो एक ही लाइन पे आए. जैसे कौन से पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पे आ रहे हैं? पॉइंट एम ओ टी एक ही लाइन पे आ रहे हैं, तो हम लिखेंगे पॉइंट एम, पॉइंट एम कॉमा पॉइंट ओ कॉमा पॉइंट टी. ये एक ही लाइन पे आ रहे हैं. और कोई केस बनता है एक लाइन पे आने का? हाँ, वेरी गुड. पॉइंट आर, पॉइंट ओ, पॉइंट एन, ये भी जो है वो एक ही लाइन पे आ रहे हैं. कि कोलिनियर पॉइंट अभी हमने देखा ना पहले कि कोलिनियर पॉइंट ऐसे पॉइंट्स होते हैं जो एक ही लाइन पे आए. तो सेकेंड जो पॉइंट लाइन आपका कौन सा बन रहा है? पॉइंट आर, पॉइंट ओ एंड पॉइंट एन. अंडरस्टूड. तो फर्स्ट कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स पॉइंट्स एम, पॉइंट ओ, पॉइंट टी. सेकेंड कोलिनियर पॉइंट पॉइंट आर, पॉइंट ओ एंड पॉइंट एन. अंडरस्टूड. ये लाइन भी हमने ले लिया, ये लाइन भी हमने ले लिया. और तो कोई भी पॉइंट ऐसा जो है सेम प्लेन पे आता ही नहीं है. उसके बाद देखिए, उसके बाद है रेस. रेस जो है कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है? ओरिजिन से. और फिनिश कहाँ पे होती है? एरो पे. तो रे ओ एम, रे ओ पी, रे ओ एन, रे ओ टी, रे ओ एस, रे ओ आर. बिकॉज ऑल दीज लाइन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन, है ना. दिस इज अ ओ एन, ओ एन, दिस इज अ ओ एन. ओ भी स्टार्ट हो रहा है ओरिजिन से, एन जो है एरो पे खत्म हो रहा है, तो ये रे हो रहा है. ओके, तो वी राइट आंसर हियर रे ओ एम, रे ओ पी, रे ओ एन, रे ओ टी, रे ओ एस, रे ओ आर. Understood? How many rays? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understood? Students, what I'm trying to tell you. Now next one is line segment. अब line segment किसको बोलते हैं? When two points are joined by a scale. कोई भी दो पॉइंट जो है वो स्केल से ज्वाइन करेंगे तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? लाइन सेगमेंट. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एम और टी, ये दो पॉइंट है. ये एम है, इधर पे टी है. ये जो है लाइन सेगमेंट बन रहा है एम टी. अंडरस्टूड. इसको हमने एक्सटेंड कर दिया तो ये लाइन हो गया. पहले ये लाइन सेगमेंट था. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. तो लाइन सेगमेंट के नेम्स दिखना है. सेगमेंट एम टी, सेगमेंट आर एन. सेगमेंट आर एन किधर है? इधर पे है, जो इधर ऐसा जा रहा है. सेगमेंट आर एन, ये भी जो है दो पॉइंट है आर एन, उसको स्केल से ज्वाइन किया गया है और सेगमेंट बन गया है वो. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सेगमेंट ओ पी. सेगमेंट ओ पी, वेर इज सेगमेंट ओ पी? अंडरस्टूड. सेगमेंट ओ पी, सेगमेंट ओ एन, सेगमेंट ओ एस, segment OR and segment OM. Understood what I am trying to tell you, students? So we move ahead. Now last one is line. Only two lines in this, line MT and line LN, because line is made from two line segment. Line is made from line segment. So now here is line MT and line R and. Understood? Very simple. Collinear point, rays, line segment, lines. We write from only this figure. Observe. ये figure observe करके हमको ये सब लिखना था. Understood all of you? Now this is your first question for your practice set 1. Understood? Now second question. We move ahead. I hope you understand. Now second question is write the different names of line. This is your line. Line point A, point B, point C, point D. एंड लाइन एल. ओके, दिस इज अ कोलिनियर पॉइंट है ना. एंड इस लाइन का हमें क्या करना है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम्स लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट वी कैन राइट लाइन एल बिकॉज दिस इज अ लाइन एल. अंडरस्टूड. after this we write line AB, after this line AC, after this line AD. Understood? Because line means what? The definition of line, what? Line segment when two points joined by the scale and form a line segment. A line segment will extend it at any point, and that is called as line. So line L, line AB, line AC, line AD. Understood? So line AD, and here line BC also, line BC. These 2 points are line segment. These two are line segment, and we extended both the direction infinitely, and this is called as line. Line BC and line BD and line CD. Understood, students, what I'm trying to tell you? Okay, so now we move ahead. After this, third question is match the column. It's very simple for you. Match the following. Now in first column, match the following is group A. Group A is first one is what? First one is, look here, what is the figure? This is the line. Very good. And this is a line segment, and this is a plane, and this is a ray. Understood? So we just match करना है हमें. So now first one is line. Understood? Now second one is line segment, third one is plane, and fourth one is ray. Understood, all of you? I hope you understand very well. So here your question number 3 is completed. Now we move ahead, question number 4. Now question number 4 is quietly simple. For example, observe the figure below. एक फिगर दिया हुआ है इस फॉर्मेट में, मैं ड्रॉ करती हूँ आपके लिए. दिस इज ऑफ एक लाइन दिया हुआ है ABC. ओके, एंड इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है पॉइंट A पे, और यहाँ पे भी जो है वो एक पैरेलल लाइन दी हुई है M, वो इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है C पे, एंड दिस इज योर फिगर. अंडरस्टूड. अब इसके जो हमें फिगर को ऑब्जर्व करना है और बताना है कि पैरेलल लाइन कौन कौन सी है. पहले किसका नाम लिखना है? पैरेलल लाइन. पैरेलल लाइन किसको बोलते हैं? ऐसी लाइन जो कभी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होती है. पैरेलल लाइन ऐसी लाइन जो कभी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होती है. उसके बाद हमें क्या लिखना है? सेकंड, कॉन्क्रुएंट लाइन. कॉन्क्रुएंट लाइन किसको बोलते हैं? ऐसी दो मोर देन 3 लाइन्स विच इंटरसेक्ट एट वन पॉइंट. अंडरस्टूड? इंटरसेक्ट एट वन पॉइंट, एट वन पॉइंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्क्रुएंट लाइन. उसके बाद हमें लिखना है पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्क्रुएंट. Understood? Very simple question. Point of congruence. You can solve easily, very well. So first we write parallel line. Now what is parallel line? Parallel line क्या होता है? ऐसा होता है जो कभी इंटरसेक्ट ना हो. तो look here student, line B is parallel to line M and is parallel to line Q, है ना. लाइन B, लाइन M, लाइन Q, ये तीनों लाइन इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है? नो. तो दिस इज अ लाइन पैरेलल. तो लाइन B, लाइन M एंड लाइन Q, दिस इज अ पैरेलल लाइन. और कौन सी पैरेलल लाइन बन रही है? AP ऑल्सो. लाइन A एंड लाइन P, दीज आर पैरेलल लाइन, एंड दीज थ्रीज आर पैरेलल. अंडरस्टूड? तो लाइन A and line P also are parallel line. Understood? Now congruent line. Congruent line is very simple because this is a congruent point. Now in this figure only 2 congruent points, point A and point D. So we write directly congruent point A and point D. At point A, 3 congruent line A, B and C. Understood? Line A, line B and line C. And at point D, 2 lines are congruent, line P and line Q. Understood what I am trying to tell you? Line P, line Q. Understood? And here is line AD also congruent, है ना. लाइन ए डी भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो रही है, यहाँ पे लाइन ए सी भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो रही है, तो वी कैन राइट लाइन ए डी and here we write line AC. Understood? So here now your practice set 1 is complete, and your 9 concept today we will teach you. It's very simple chapter and very interesting. So students, I hope you understand my lecture. If any doubt in this lecture and other some topics you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please like, share and subscribe, and please support us. Thank you very much. Thank you for your watching.